Now we can discuss the value of polynomial. Value of, already you know what is polynomial, the types of polynomials already discussed. Now we can discuss the value of polynomial. Based on one example, I can explain what is the meaning of that value of polynomial. Okay, suppose when we consider the polynomial p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Suppose when we consider this polynomial p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5, we can consider this polynomial, and value of polynomial means x can be replaced by any number. Value of polynomial means the variable x can be replaced by any number, and we got one value. That is find out here like this. Suppose I can take first x is equal to 1. Suppose I can take x is equal to 1. X equal to 1 can be rewritten like this, p of 1. X is equal to 1 means we can consider p of 1. P of 1 means 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 5. Okay, after that 1 cube equal to 1 itself. 1 square is 1, 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 5. We got the numbers like this. After addition, what do you got? 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Therefore, we can write like this. The value of this polynomial when x is equal to 1 is 11. Clear? Value of this polynomial when x is equal to 1 is considered as 11. This is known as value of polynomial. When we substitute x is equal to another number, we got another value. Okay. Now we can substitute another value for x. Already know value of polynomial. I can take x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 I can. Then p of 2. P of 2 means in this p of x substitute x is equal to 2. Therefore, x cube becomes 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 5. X can be replaced by that number, x is equal to 2. Okay. Now 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 5. What do you got after addition? 8 plus 12 plus 4 plus 5. What is 29? Therefore, value of this polynomial when x is equal to 2 is 29. It is known as value of polynomial. When we substitute x equal to 1, you got answer 11. When we take x equal to 2, you got answer 29. Anyway, we can find p of 1, p of minus 1 also find. Because I can take x equal to minus 1 also. X is equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 means we need to find out p of minus 1. P of minus 1 means what you got? Minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 5. P of x is equal to minus 1, we got like this. Now, minus 1 cube is minus 1 itself. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 itself. Minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 3, 3, that is plus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 5. Plus 5. After that, we can add. Here, 2 positive numbers, therefore 5 plus 3, 8. 2 negative numbers, minus 2 and minus 1, that is minus 3. Therefore, answer 8 minus 3, that is 5. Therefore, value of this polynomial when x is equal to minus 1 is 5. The value will change when substituting the value. When we substitute the values, different values we need to substitute, the value also change there. Therefore, x equal to 1, value 11, x equal to 2, value 29. When x is equal to minus 1, value we got 5. And what about when x is equal to 0? X is equal to 0 means 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 2 into 0 plus 5. Therefore, only remaining these terms. When x is equal to 0 means only you can directly say the answer, the constant term, that is 5 only there. This is known as value of polynomial. It's clear? Okay. 0 of polynomial. Next we can discuss 0 of polynomial. 0 or sometimes it becomes zeros of polynomial. Okay. Zeros of polynomial. Now we can substitute when x is equal to 1, you got some value, x equal to 2, you got another value, x equal to minus 1, you got another value. Like that we got. Sometimes when we substitute the values like this, answer becomes 0. Answer becomes 0. In that case, we can say which value we substitute for x, that is considered as 0 of that polynomial. Okay, just I can explain. Suppose p of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Just I can take an example like this. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Then first I can find out p of 1. So I can find out p of 1. P of 1 means what? 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. Therefore 1 minus 1 square 1. 1 minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 3 you got answer 0. Answer we got 0 here. Therefore we can conclude 1. This 1. 1 is the 0 of p of x. When we got answer 0, in that time which value we can substitute? That number is considered as 0 of that p of x. Therefore 1 is the 0 of p of x. Okay. This I can find out another value, p of minus 1 I can find out. P of minus 1. Substitute here, minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 it becomes plus 3 plus 2. That is we got 6, not got 0. Okay. Therefore we can conclude minus 1 is not a 0 of p of x. Minus 1 is not a 0 of p of x. You can substitute p of x equal to different numbers. When we got answer 0, we can conclude it is a 0 of p of x. Clear? When we got answer 0, that is considered as 0 of p of x. You can consider another. Let's I can give you one more example. P of x is equal to p of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. Suppose x square plus 2x minus 8. We can find out the zeros. We can find out the zeros by using the value of polynomial. Okay. X square plus 2x plus minus. Okay. Therefore, first we can find out p of 1. P of 1 equal to what? 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 8. What do you got? 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1 plus 2 minus 8. That is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 8. That is minus 5. It is not a 0. We can find, okay, 1 is not a 0. We can find out p of minus 1. P of minus 1 means minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 8. That's again 1 minus 2 minus 8. That is minus 9. That is not equal to 0. And we can find out p of 2. P of 2 means 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. That is 4 plus 4 minus 8. You got 0. Now we can conclude 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. 2 is the 0 of p of x. 0 of p of x. After we can find out p of minus 2. Then p of 3. P of minus 3. P of 4, P of minus 4, like that we can find out. After we can find out, because here the x square is there, that means degree 2 is there, it's a quadratic polynomial, therefore we need 2 zeros. Just we can find out like this, zeros of this polynomial. Another method is also possible here for finding zeros of polynomial, but just I can explain here this method, value of polynomial, based on that I can explain here. Okay, then remaining we can find out, just to check that which one is 0 of this, another 0 of this polynomial, that you can find out yourself. Okay. Next we can done like this. Check 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of x square, check it, minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus 10. Check 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of x square minus 3x minus. Just we can check that it is a 0 or not. Therefore, first we can write like this: p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 10. P of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 10. First we need to check that x equal to 2. First we can check that x is equal to 2. That we can run like this: p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 10. That is 2 square is 4. 4 minus 6 minus 10. That is, you got answer minus 12. We can conclude 2 is not a 0 of p of x. We need to check that it is a 0 or not. Therefore, first case we can take x equal to 2, it is not a 0. Next we can check that x equal to minus 2. You can check that x equal to minus 2. That is p of minus 2. P of minus 2 means minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6 minus 10. Therefore, answer becomes 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 10, it becomes 0. You got answer 0 there. Therefore, we can conclude minus 2 is a 0 of p of x. You need to check that 2 and minus 2. 2 is not a 0, minus 2 is a 0. We got like that, okay? 2 is not a 0 and minus 2 is a 0 of p of x. Like that we can conclude. Okay, we can find out, we can check that this is a 0 or not. So we can substitute the values of x equal to 2, minus 2 like this. Then we got the answer. Okay? Next we can check that like this. Check minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of x cube plus 4x square minus 7x minus 10. Check that minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of x cube plus 4x square minus 7x minus 10. Same method we need to run. First we can write p of x equal to the given. P of x is equal to x cube plus 4x square minus 7x minus 10. This is p of x. First we need to check that minus 1. So we can write p of minus 1. First we need to check that p of minus 1. Then p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 4 into minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1 minus 10. Then minus 1 cube is minus 1 itself. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 4, 4. Minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7 minus 10. After that 4 plus 7, 11. 11 and minus 11, it becomes 0. Answer we got 0. After that we can conclude minus 1 is a 0 of p of x. Minus 1 is a 0 of p of x. After we can check that another number x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means we need to find out p of 2. P of 2 we need to find out. Just we can run like this: 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square minus 7 into 2 minus 10. So we substitute x is equal to 2. Therefore 2 cube is 8. 2 square 4. 4 into 4 16. 4 into 4 16. Then minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 10. Like that. Then 8 plus 16 24. 24. Here also what you got? Here 24 and a minus 24. That is again we got 0. Therefore we can conclude 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. 2 is a 0 of p of x. Like that we can conclude. Here minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. We got these two numbers as the zeros. Okay. Okay, we can find out the zeros. Last we checked that it's a 0 or not. Now we can find out the zeros of linear polynomial. Okay, zeros of linear polynomial. Find the zeros of p of x. The first question is like this: p of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Suppose p of x equal to 2x plus 3. We need to find out when we substitute which value here, it becomes 0. That's we need to find out here. Next, we can done like this. Suppose first we can equate 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Then find out the value of, therefore 2x is equal to 3 can be taken that side, it becomes minus 3. Then x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Which value we got here x, that is considered as 0 of that pole. Therefore, so last you write like this, 0 of p of x. 0 of p of x equal to, that is minus 3 by 2. We can find out like that. No need to substitute first 1, then 2, 3. That's not possible here because the fraction we got here. Therefore, so we can done like that. The polynomial can be equate to 0, then find out the value of x. Therefore, 2x plus 3 is 0, then you got answer like that. Suppose second question, p of x is equal to 5x minus 2. P of x equal to 5x minus 2. We can find out the value of x. So just we can run like this. 5x minus 2 can be equate to 0. That is 5x is equal to minus 2 can be taken 2. Then x is equal to 2 by 5. For answer we got. Therefore, last you write like this. 0 of p of x equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Like that we can find out the answer. Okay. Then third one. P of x is equal to 7x. Third one, p of x equal to 7x. What we can done? 7x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 by 7, that is 0. So we can conclude 0 is the 0 of p of x. 0 is the 0 of, 0 means the number, when we 7 to 0 it becomes 0, therefore 0 is the 0 of p of x. Okay. P of x equal to ax plus b. Suppose generally p of x equal to ax plus b. What we can do? First we can equate ax plus b equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0. Then ax is equal to b can be taken that side minus b. Then x is equal to minus b by a. Therefore you got answer minus b by a is the 0 of p of x. Like that we can conclude. Like that we can find out zeros of p of x. The linear polynomial we can done like this. Zeros of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial we can discuss another method. Now we can discuss only the linear polynomial. The zeros of linear polynomial only we can discuss here. Okay.